Okay, what's in the box? Today we have this smart light switch that I'm gonna do DIY in the house for water pump. It said it has a timer and the Wi-Fi. It can be remotely controlled. So this is how it looks in the box. The size is this one, this much. It says in the website 3x3. The socket is the small one, the size. It looks on the front like this one. At the back, it looks like this. It says smart wall socket, AC 110 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, maximum load 13 ampere. This is what I'm worried about for the water pump. It says the Wi-Fi IEEE 802.111 BNG. So to unplug this one, you have to use the screwdriver to unlock this one, which I've already done. Once you do this one, it will pop up like this one. So this is the, I think is the main motherboard for the Wi-Fi and all those controlling socket. This one, this is for the earthing, line and neutral, which I'm gonna do and show later on. So this is in the box, not much, straightforward. And in the box it comes with this manual only and some long screw, which I don't think it will be used for me. So this is the manual. So I'm gonna follow the instruction. It's pretty much straightforward. Anybody can do it. So let's jump onto this one.